Today I'll show you how you can share your YouTube videos to social media applications automatically. So simply connect your YouTube channel with Facebook, Instagram and Twitter application using an automation software Pabbly Connect, and after that you do not have to do anything manually, because every time a new video will be uploaded on your channel, the same video will be shared automatically on these three applications as well. So to do that we will use this software, and I'm an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I'm already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as share YouTube videos on social media. Now it is asking to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I'll be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happens in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. So in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new video is live on my YouTube application, on my YouTube channel, the same video should be shared automatically on Facebook. So that is why I'll be selecting the same application here. Further, I want that the same video should be shared on Instagram and Twitter as well. So that is why I'm selecting these 2 applications also one by one. Okay, so in this way, by clicking on this plus icon, you can add as many as action applications as you want and connect them with the Pabbly Connect and automate the complex business processes. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Now I'll be selecting this X application, that is Twitter application, and now I'll be connecting all these applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let's first connect our YouTube application with the Pabbly Connect. So I want that whenever a new video is added in the channel, this automation should trigger. So that is why I'm selecting the same, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and if you're connecting your YouTube account with Pabbly Connect, click on this button and provide the access of your channel. But because I have built this connection multiple times, so I'll go with the existing connection, clicking on save, and in this way my YouTube channel will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. And just in case if you also want to go with the existing connection, just make sure that you provide the access in the first time, and after that you can also do the same. Now in front of you I will upload a new video, and you will see how the same video details will be captured via Pabbly Connect. Okay, so give me a second, I'll be posting some videos, some testing video. Alright, so I have uploaded the video and the processing is taking place. Let me also correct the title, automate your task with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, now it is looking good. Let me also select other condition, that is no, this is not made for tickets, and here I will also provide some random description. So I have provided a small description that in this video you will learn to automate the manual and repetitive tasks with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, let me also correct the spelling of this with, and here I have also selected a random image. Now finally I'll be publishing this video here. Alright, so the video is published. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now in front of you I'll be clicking on this button save and send test request, and you will notice that the response will consist of the video. I think the processing is not done yet, and I have clicked on that button already, so I think I should wait for the processing and then I will click on that button once again. Okay, so wait for that. And here you can notice this time we have all the data. Let me even show you the link of that video. Yes, you can check the URL of that video, and we also have the description as well as the title of the same video. Okay, so in this way you can connect YouTube channel with the Pabbly Connect and fetch the details. So now onwards what will happen? Every time someone will upload any video on your YouTube channel, the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect automatically in every 10 minutes, because this trigger will check for new data in 10 minutes. So in this way, the first step of our automation is done, and now finally I'll show you how you can share the same title, the same video on your Facebook page as well. So again, we will have to connect to Facebook with the Pabbly Connect, selecting the action event, that is create page photo post. Alright, clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection. And again, if you are connecting Facebook with Pabbly Connect, click on this button and provide the access. Okay, give me a second. I think I'm already logged in my Facebook account. So it is not going to ask me the access but asking for the permission which I have provided, and the authorization is successful, and in this way my Facebook application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Alright, it is connected. Now finally it is asking to select the page in which you want to post something. Because we are connected, whatever the pages are available inside my Facebook application have started visible here. So I have already opened this page. The name of my page is Pabbly only. So give me a second, let me search for the same, and yes, this is my page. Further, it is asking for the photo URL and the description you would like to post. Okay, so the interesting thing here is I'm not going to manually copy the photo URL and the description from the above steps response and paste below again and again for every new video. I am going to map these details, which will be replaced with these details automatically when our automation will work in real time. And how mapping can be performed, click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Select that data and in this way it will be mapped. Okay, so again telling you what is the importance of mapping. Whatever the details you will map here will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. But if you will specify any detail manually here, that detail will remain same. Okay, how about I provide this description and this photo URL. Alright, I think everything is looking good. Clicking on this button, save and send interest request, and waiting for the response. And if that response is positive, that means my post has been added here. Basically my video has been shared here automatically. Let me refresh my page. Well, my video is not posted yet. I'll have to check what is wrong with this. Alright, I have got it. In the photo URL, I have added the link of my video. I'm really sorry for that. Let me search for the thumbnail. Alright, so these are the thumbnails, and here I'll be selecting this high URL, not the medium one, not the default one. Okay, so I have added the thumbnail URL, and in this description I will be adding the video URL as well as the title. Okay, so automate your task with the Pabbly Connect, and here I will add the URL for the same. Alright, now I'm expecting that the data will be posted here on my Facebook page automatically. Okay, fingers crossed. So the positive response is received and it does not consist of any error. Going back to my Facebook page and refreshing it. Scrolling down, and did you notice how the same title, the same video link and the same thumbnail has been shared automatically on my Facebook page? Okay, so in this way you can share your YouTube video on Facebook automatically with the help of Pabbly Connect, and in this way the second step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can share the same video on Instagram as well. Select the action event, that is publish photo, click on connect, then click on add a new connection, and again you can provide the access of your Instagram account, but I have provided this access multiple times, so I'm going with the existing connection, and in this way my Instagram will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. And further it is asking for the account to use. So in which account I am logged in? I am actually logged in the same account, so I'll go with the same. And it is asking for the photo URL. So remember, I have told you about this thumbnail. You will have to select that high URL. Give me a second, searching for the same here. Okay, so here we have the media URL. Let me delete this extra text asking for the caption. So how about I add the title only, and if along with the title you also want to provide the description, you can do the same. I have pressed enter and searching for the same, that is description. Okay, how about I add a full stop here after this title? Give me a second. Alright, so I have added the full stop, and again the details are provided here. Clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response. And again, if that response is positive, that means this Instagram step is also working absolutely fine. So going back, checking my profile section, give me a second, let me refresh it. Alright, so here you can notice the same image, the same video has been shared automatically on my Instagram account as well, and even the same caption has been posted, that is automate your task with Pabbly Connect. In this video you'll learn how to automate the manual and repetitive tasks with the help of Pabbly Connect. So in this way the third step of our automation is also done. Now moving to the fourth and the last step, that is posting the same things on this X application, or formerly known as Twitter application. So selecting the action event, that is create a tweet, clicking on connect, clicking on add a new connection, and this Twitter will ask you the client ID and the client secret for the connection, not just the access. Okay, so how you can get the following conditions: simply click on this hyperlink and visit this documentation, because every step is written over here. You just need to create an account. Yes, this is the developers.twitter.com option. Okay, click on this hyperlink and firstly you will have to create an account as shown in the image below, and once the account is ready you will have to provide a description. Okay, so coming back here, and from here you can create an account, but because I'm already logged in, so I'm directly clicking on this get started button, and in this way you will be reach out to the developer portal of this Twitter application. Then click on this project and apps arrow, and after that click here. Then you will have to create an app. Now how you can create this application, every instruction is mentioned here. When you will create an account, it is going to ask you the use case. You can provide any of the use case as per your requirement, and after that here you will have to provide the use case, and after that you will have to submit it. Here also you can notice click submit. Now you can access your Twitter developers portal. Okay, after that how to set up your, alright, give me a second, how to set up your app in Twitter. If you click here you should see that you are on a free account. Okay, so basically click on this project and apps, then click on your app name, then go to this setting option, and after that again follow the instructions. Simply click on the setup option and provide the permission of this read and write direct message, and in this way your application will be created. And in that case you will also have to provide this callback URL and this website URL as shown in the image below. Okay, yes, you will get this callback URL from here and this website URL. Okay, I hope you have understood how you can create an app, because once this app will be created you can directly get this client ID and client secret key. In my case it is already created, so I'll be directly clicking on this key and token section, and here I have both the details. Give me a second, let me copy this client ID and paste the same here, asking for the secret ID as well. So give me a second, I'm gonna regenerate it. Alright, so I have copied, yes, I have saved it. Let me paste the same, and in this way my Twitter application will be also connected with the Pabbly Connect. Authorization is successful and it is connected. Now it is asking for the message you would like to post. Okay, so here only I will be sharing the image URL as well as my link as well as my text, again via mapping only. So let me open the same, and here I'll be writing something like, another great video is posted on YouTube channel. Okay, YouTube channel, let me correct the spelling, it should be Pabbly's YouTube channel. Alright, so the text has been provided, and here I'm also going to post the video URL, and along with that I can also share the description. Well, I'm not really interested in posting the description, but just for your reference I'm posting it, clicking on this button. These two things are not actually required for now, so I'm skipping these two things, and the response is received, refreshing the same. Alright, so here you can notice the same thing has been posted here. Another great video is posted on Pabbly's YouTube channel. This is the video link. In this video you will learn to automate the manual and repetitive tasks with the help of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so with the help of Pabbly Connect, in this way you can automate the process of social media marketing automation. Yes, every time a video is uploaded on your YouTube channel, it will be shared automatically on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter as well. Just in case if you want to access this 4-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. Click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account. And if other than 3 social media apps, if you want to post the same video on LinkedIn or other application, you can click on this plus icon and check for the same application if it is available in the integration library of Pabbly Connect. If you will find it, simply select it, connect it with Pabbly Connect and automate the social media posting. Okay, and once this automation is ready, you can even close Pabbly Connect and sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.